happening, my people? Welcome to the channel. So it's my favorite time, shoe time.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Without further ado, let me get into this. Got this package, and this comes from eBay. And it's something I had my eyes on, and hopefully they are what they're supposed to be and in the condition that they're supposed to be. But fingers crossed. Box looking. See, ooh, that box is nice, but that's not the most important thing. But box, that's a dope ass box right there, man. So get into the information. I'm gonna let y'all see this. See, hopefully it'll focus. Try to take a little bit of time for y'all to see. So you know what these are? Westbrook joints, man. So they come with this black paper, and these are the all-star ones. And I copped these for $105. I seen them on Sneaker Steals. They were for like $100 on Sneaker Steals, but I missed the day or the offer or whatever. And whenever I tried to get them off Sneaker Steals, they were back to retail. And I was like, man, I want to pay $100. Since I seen them for $100, that's what I want to pay. I don't want to pay. And the retail is only $125. But I end up seeing somebody trying to get rid of them. And these aren't moving that much. They aren't moving like hotcakes or anything. So I made him like a $90 offer. And he made a $100 offer. Then I made a $95 offer. And we settled on that plus shipping. So it ended up being $105. But these are Jordan, Westbrook, WHYNOT, ZER0.2 joints. These are the ones that he rocked for the All-Star game. I seen somebody playing in them the other day on the NBA. They were kicking the Lakers' asses, and one of the cats had them on from one of the teams. I don't remember which team they was playing, but it could be anybody because everybody kicking the Lakers' asses now. But this is a dope shoe. Either you love it or you hate it. And the first time I seen them, I probably was on the hate side. But then, like, looking into the Westbrooks, like the first ones that dropped, I was like, I want those, man. Them things are crazy. Then the Black History Month came out. I was like, man, I kind of want them things. Them things are crazy. Then they had the family ones, the all black ones. I was like, they kind of plain. And these right here, I was like, these are too crazy. And then once I start checking them all out, I'm like, these are super crazy. And that made me want them more. I'm like, if I want some Westbrooks, I want the craziest Westbrooks. And something that's gonna super stand out on feet. And this would definitely stand out on feet. So let me get into a couple things. Man, start off at the front toe. Man, they got the elephant print. I don't know if it's 3M or not. I heard that it might be 3M. I'm not sure. I might do like a little test or whatever, but I'm gonna do it in B-roll. But then on the toe part, man, they have this dark brown, like a Desert Storm camo. It has a bunch of different camos on here. Then towards the tongue and towards the middle part, they have this regular kind of camo. Then when it gets back to the heel part, they have this like a hunting camo. So it's a bunch of different camouflages on the shoe. That's what the upper is comprised of. But the extra parts on the shoe, like this with the laces, I seen some people say it's like red. This is pink. This is pink right here. This looks like more a red. Like this looks red, and down here like that all looks like red. So it's a bunch of crazy colors on here, man. It got a purple at the bottom of it. Then they have the neon laces, and it goes up. They have this is like a peach, yeah, a peach tab on here. Then another peach tab on the back. They have some more neon hits on the heel. They have this aqua, this light blue, not necessarily North Carolina blue, similar to North Carolina blue. You can see. They have it on that zoom part also, that North Carolina type blue. They have that purple towards the side. This is crazy. You see the grips on here. I think these will stick. Like having them in the hand. Like, yeah, it looks like you're gonna hold the court with these. Look like some little suction cups or something, like some octopus tentacles or whatever. That's how the bottom is. The bottom has the sizing chart and everything. This is a size 10. I wear like in between a 9 and 9.5. I'll get a 10 if that's the only size I can find. And these were cheap. It was a 10. And I got a feeling that these might fit like a little snug or whatever. So I don't think it's gonna be too big a deal. I don't think I'm gonna be hooping in them. Maybe if I go to the gym, I might try them one time or something. But they ain't gonna be like a go-to hooping shoe. I bought these more for casual wear. Last thing, they have this neon tab right here, and it has like all-star information. Like you made 8 all-star teams and stuff like that. So Jordan brand, why not? Something. Can't see that. All-star. But that's the all-star shoe from Russell Westbrook. And now all there is to do is do an on foot. Show you how you can put these together. I don't know. You're gonna have to try some neutral colors or whatever. Just regular jeans, some light jeans or whatever. Put these on. Definitely don't try to super match with them. You're gonna be out here looking nuts. But try to subdue your look, have a calm look, and just let the shoes stand out on their own. That's what I would say. But we'll see on foot time. To wrap up this video, so the Westbrook 0.2, my first thoughts, crazy ass shoe. The fit of them, very comfortable. I would say I'm usually a guy, because I have a thin foot, I usually be like, well, true to size or whatever. I think you can go up half a size on this because I got a 10, and the 10 feels great on me. It feels more than snug enough. And they're pretty hard to put on, because whenever you go to put them on, you know, you try to pull back here, you have to pull this. They have this other booty system underneath, and you have to pull that, or else it's very hard to put these on. But once they're on, you feel like you're locked in. And I haven't even tied them. I haven't even messed with the laces yet. So they do feel pretty good once they're on. And just walking in them, I can kind of feel the grip. So the grip seems like it'll be great for on court. But just for fashion wise and stuff, I don't know where you can rock these or whatever. If you just want something to chill in, something casual, I like this shoe. I like this shoe. Fashion purposes, it depends on your style. I don't know. I just wanted something different. I wanted something different colors, because I have a lot of monotone colors, man, like just blacks or blues or reds and stuff like that. So I wanted to start coloring it up a little bit. So no better time than with these right here. This is colorful. But hopefully you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Peace out.